I hardly slept at all the first night of this procedure. Yeah, I couldn't lay down because then it would cause it to throb. And I can't sleep sitting up. I got a couple hours and that was it. And then yesterday I watched Bruce work out in the yard. And then I was tired and I went to bed with 5 pillows to keep me propped up. And I slept pretty good. And this is what I woke up to this morning. Yeah, it looks like Bruce popped me, doesn't it? One of the good things is that I get to take a shower this morning. And I get to take off the bandages and see what we got. Wash the area, put Vaseline on it, and put new bandages on. Oh, I can't wait. Last night, Bruce took my bandages off, and I had my first look at the doctor's handiwork. And it really doesn't look as bad as I thought it would look. I'll show you each week how much I've progressed. But for me, this looks pretty good. Yeah, it's still kind of a mess, but we'll get there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.